Hello there. So where we left off last time is we just finished placing our ship on the ship in the game. So what we're going to do is add a secondary ship. One of the first things I did was previously I had anti-aliasing on, so the ship was a little bit smoother and the background was a little bit smoother. I went into game settings under Windows and the graphics and got rid of interpolate colors between pixels, and that gives me more of a pixelated look to the game. Um, so now that we've gotten some of our structure done, creating a second ship is actually really easy. Um, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, duplicate, and create a second ship. And I went ahead and made a second sprite ship um, to add to the game to have just one that has a different look to it. And then we go in here and we're gonna our initialize player we're gonna set to 2. That way we have the second player 2 when this game character actually gets created, or this ship actually gets created. It'll be assigned value 2, and that way we can leverage some questions when we do things. So we're going to go back, because most of our code is actually in our parent, which is the player ship. We're going to be able to do other things. So in our player movement, I went ahead and with the if clause, we had a space or a left or a right. I went ahead and added 2 separate controls for the player 2. So if it's not the player 2, it'll be player 1. So this is really all that is needed to be able to control the second ship. Now we need to put the ship in the game. So in the controller, we had done this randomly create the character within the ship. We're going to do the same thing, but move this ship, calling it character, the ship to the other side. So we're going to make it from the middle to the right side, and we're going to create a player 2. So let's go ahead and test that out. Yeah, so there's our secondary ship. So our primary ship flies, and now our second ship flies. Now all we've done is create a new object, duplicate it, assign it a value 2, give it the sprite, and we can now have 2 ships independently fly there. So one of the things we're going to do is go ahead and create a collision between ships. So we're going to go back to this player 1, and in their step we have this movement code. I went ahead and created just an if statement prior to this to use. And what we're doing now is, instead of, we're going to create a new X and a new Y prior to actually moving the ship. So instead, prior to moving the ship, setting its X, before we just did a plus equals velocity and the movement velocity. This time we're actually going to test things before we do anything. So now that we've tested where we're going to be using this statement, we've created where we're going to be. We're going to say, is this position going to collide with a player ship? And if that collision point is a player ship, that is I'm just going to use the bounding box, so false for the bounding box, and it's not me, so we're going to use true. Then I'm going to, we'll leave that out for right now. I'm I'm going to go ahead and keep my X where I am, and then uh, reverse my velocity. So I'll go backwards, and I'm going to tell myself that I've collided. So let's try that out. So now when we fly and hit another ship, they know they've collided, and they go back and hit each other. Now we'll add in a little bit. We'll add where this actually collides it and moves it instead of just one direction. We'll do some other things with that, but that's basic collision for two ships flying together. That's pretty boring when you actually collide each other. So the other thing we're going to add today is we're going to create a little explosion that occurs when the two objects collide. So we're going to create an object, a spark, and I went ahead and created the spark. And I'll show you what my spark looks like. It's just a 2x2 square, and I have 3 different images. So normally in the lifespan, you start off at a brighter color, the yellow. What's hotter, as it gets older, it'll change to like a red for, like a cool down effect. So that's why I have 3 images. So my spark, I'm going to create a lifespan. Let's see, what do we want? Random range. We're going to say floor. No, we don't care about that. The room speed. Let's say it can go from 1.5 seconds to 2.5 seconds. So we always use room speed to account for 1 second, and then the duration will be the other. So we're going to cool off. I'm going to set the orange to equal the lifespan times 60%. So when we've cooled off 60%, we're going to do that. And then red, we're going to do it 30. And we're going to set our speed to 0 because we're going to manually change it. So we're going to add another event in the step event. Okay, so we're going to always decrement. If lifespan is less than orange, then we're going to go ahead and, this is probably not the, I'm going to set it to my image for the orange. Lifespan is less than red. Image index will be 2. And if less than 0, yeah, less than 0, we're going to get rid of it. It has burnt itself out. We're going to make sure these are in the front. So now we're going to create something that creates these. So when we create a collision, we're going to execute this code, which is number of sparks, random, integer, random, range from 80 to 120. Okay, and we're going to repeat this that number of times. So we're going to create where we're at. Let's see what we're going to create. We're going to create a spark. Oops. And we're going to set it give it a speed, probably from quarter to 1 or 2. Let's try that. And a direction. 0 to 360. Yeah, there we go. Let's try this. So what we're doing is we're creating a collision. We're going to create everything, and then, oh yeah, we must destroy. Even though we just create it, we're going to destroy it right away. Because this is only a temporary event. And then we're going to create this collision right where our collision is. So if I did this right, did I not spell that right? There. Yeah, that's spelled wrong. We'll leave that alone for now. Collision. Alright, so let's go try our collision. Yeah, there we go. It's a little bigger than I wanted it to be, but that's right. So, yeah, there we go. Every time we collide, we have a collision and sparks. And that's kind of the effect we wanted. So, there you go. Until next time, good luck coding.